Hello viewers, welcome to the video. Today I will try converting some USDT to AMF token. Let's enter into the AMF token. As you can see, the present price is almost $0.0073 of AMF. Let's go back. Obviously, for the conversion I will use Pancake swap, where I can swap the tokens in between them. So let's click on browse and let's go to Pancake swap. I already have my wallet connected and the BP20 chain is selected, and on the swap tab now I have to select the tokens I want to swap in between. My BNB balance is showing. You have to have some BNB in your wallet to make the swap thing possible. Let's select USDT. I'll select the max amount. And I'll select AMF, to which I want conversion take place. So the present AMF balance is shown in here, and it's asking for the enable USDT. I think it is going to cut an extra amount of charge. Okay, let's click on enable USDT. I'll get around 1700 AMF. So it's cutting off 0.06 USDT. Let's click on confirm. Approval required. And the transaction receipt has been received. Now I can swap in between. Let's click on swap. Need to accept the price update and make it very fast. I need to approve it, and the charge is almost 30 cents. Okay, let's approve it. Authenticate, and the swap is taking place. Should be done within few moments. And the transaction received. Let's go back to wallet. Let's close everything. So let me refresh the page again. See, my balance increased and the USDT is gone, as I have converted all the USDT to AMF token. And there should be an extra history line in the AMF token section. The balance has been received and I'm expecting an extra history line here. It's not showing, but whatever, the balance has been received though. It may appear in later time. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.